Byrider out in Waukesha is introducing the 2011 Infiniti M37. Look at this beautiful car. Come in and see it at our Byrider Waukesha location, W226 South 1700, Highway 164, Waukesha, Wisconsin, 53186. Or call us at 262-506-3131. Let's see the inside. The controls are on the steering wheel. It also has 1 and 2 settings for drivers, electric seats. They paid attention to detail. Push to start. Beautiful wood finishing as well as snow mode, eco mode, and sport mode. Heated seats and steering wheel. Backup cam. CD changer. And room for any passengers that you can think of, as well as a sunroof. Come and see this car today so we can get you driving in this great car. It won't last long, so give us a call and let's get you on the road.